RC cars are getting expensive. So I decided to make my own.
On the inside of the remote, there's the transmitter board. The transmitter has one job. It takes the input that you give through the buttons, such as move forward, and then it converts it into radio waves. Radio waves are quite similar to the science of light or X-rays. However, the transmitter has a much longer wavelength. The thing is that what happens if there's so many different radio waves in the room? This is avoided by each RC car system operating at a specific frequency. Due to this, each RC car needs to be paired up to the same frequency. This will make sure that it avoids interference from other remote-controlled items that are around you. Since the transmitter encodes the message in the radio waves, the receiver will need to decode this. This is why the receiver has a built-in decoder. Once the decoder decodes the radio waves, the receiver then sends a task to the motors of the car, depending on what the transmitter has requested.